Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Friday, the 5th day of September 2025. After the viral post from Governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, when he revealed that the state has acquired technologies even to track the bandits, the terrorists, wherever they are, that even now that he can even show people the location of bandits, but he can't do anything because he was not authorized to fight the terrorists as a governor. He also revealed that his first line of defense, that at the time, that they wanted to erase these terrorists, but what happened? A call came from Abuja that they should retreat. Now, I want to further take you deeper into some unclassified information regarding what the governor of Zamfara State said. You see, what he said is just an edit of the deep things that has happened and the deep things that are still going on. Let me tell you, there is a video of Oshomonde, the senator and former governor of Edo State, and he's also a senator representing one of the senatorial districts in Edo State. Oshomonde made a shocking statement, and there is nothing I'm going to say in this video that will make you understand everything I'm saying unless you watch that video of Oshomonde, where he revealed that some generals are in charge of mining the gold, mineral resources in Zamfara and many other parts of the country. And everybody, every politician knows the generals, but they are untouchable. Even the president cannot talk when they are talking. You know why I'm telling you this? I am always telling people that president is not in charge. Tinubu is not in charge. That Tinubu cannot talk where these people are talking. I stressed this issue time with that number that a president can't change Nigeria. Anytime I'm saying this, people fail to understand. Now, I want you to first of all watch this video. This video is almost a year old when Oshomonde made this statement and they shut him up. Take a listen first. Let me come back and explain to you what might interest you.
There is no question in my view, and I come from an area where you have, like you rightly said, sir, there is hardly any part of Nigeria where you don't have solid minerals, even in the south-south. But what I observe, whereas the federal government is ruthless with people who are doing illegal oil buckling, and they deploy JTF to deal with those involved in illegal buckling. When it comes to illegal mining of solid minerals, the federal government changes. It's like using different standards. And I'm very angry about that. Because if we have to fight, deploy army, even to kill for anyone who is involved in illegal buckling of oil, and you deploy JTF, a combination of army, police, air force, everybody, why are we allowing illegal mining in many parts of the country that is going on? And they are being mined by retired generals, and we know them. Yes, we know them. Nobody can pretend he doesn't know them. I did a letter to former President Buhari, because somebody I sent to go and conduct a primary somewhere reported back to me, a retired general of Northern Extraction, told me that, look, Adams, you are worried about the challenge of conducting primaries in Zamfara. The challenge you see is there is far more than that. And if it's not dealt with, Nigeria will not know peace in parts of the country. And this gold go all the way through the belt, all to Kaduna. And it up to, yeah, correct. And he told me that those involved in this illegal mining, they use choppers. They procure arms exactly the same way as our military were doing in the south-south. They give them arms. They use choppers to come and cut away the gold. And they take them out of this country and make billions of US dollars. And the federal government is not doing what it should be doing. I took this letter to the former president when I was national chairman of APC. And I said, call the general to give you more brief. In fact, what is happening, or what subsequently happened in that part of the country, was exactly what the general told me was going to happen. Because these guys have been weaponized by the illegal big men who deploy them, secure territories, And the weapon is meant to protect the Chinese and other foreigners who they actually employ to carry out the mining. And on occasion, they use the same weapon to carry out banditry, kidnapping, and all of the terrible things that are going on. Chief of Committee Chairman of Defense Staff, tell the defense I said so. That, that some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish. We can't change our, when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law. That is what is going on with solid mineral. It is not that we don't know where it is. We have a whole survey of where we have what across the length and breadth of Nigeria. We also know, everybody complaining about certain people from certain nationalities. How they got here, even as we are talking now, they are doing those illegal mining. And those guys are getting richer when Nigeria State is getting poorer. But we carry the consequences of banditry, kidnapping, and that which this on illegal armed men, which they equip. Sir, who can afford to buy a chopper to land in an illegal mining site, cut away gold, return to Sediti, and then on the way to airport, bam, take them out of the country? This is happening. So I agree with you, but my position is that we shouldn't, as senators, be lamenting. As senators, we should fix the problem. We should tell the executive, you must deploy exactly the same force that you deploy against illegal oil bunkering. That same force should be deployed to deal with criminals who are money. When I say criminal, it can be a retired general, it can be a retired permanent secretary, it can be a retired trade unionist or a retired labor leader. Whoever is involved, they should be dealt with. Let Nigeria see that we are not condoning this. We are not lamenting what is going on. When you have a country of people who are above the law because they are supposed to have served the country, and they have retired, and now they become the real barons. So I agree with you that the solid sector, and I'm happy with the word made by Baba that oil was discovered by accident. What they were looking for was solid mineral.
All right, thank you for watching up to this point. Glad you are understanding where we are going now. Oshomole is a senator. If Oshomole sees someone who is robbing, he will call the police and pick up the person, right? Now, Oshomole is telling you that everybody knows the people who are responsible for these people. They use helicopter to come and carry it. Sometimes they will use flight. They buy weapons for these bandits to chase away people where they are mining something. And that is why I made that video I made in Agua, Imo State, where we have billions, whether it's billion, I don't know, but the cubic of gas in Agua, Imo State, the crude oil there, is not something that Africa can it can sustain the whole Africa for over 1,000 years in Imo State there. And the people don't have light, the people are facing terrorist attack. Fulani militias are already in their bush. But those people don't attack traders, they don't attack anybody, but they attack the villagers, they chase them away. See, if you understand 1% of Nigerian insecurity problem, you will cry. Just 1% of insecurity problem in Nigeria. If you understand it, you will cry. Now, a president, if you want to become a president through election, mind my statement, through election, even though you win the election, they can't declare you as a winner. I'm telling you this because there are some people who are in charge of Nigeria. They value the wage people who are coming. Is this person corrupt enough? Is he corrupt enough? If he enter the position of the president, is he going to fire us? Even though you won the election through vote, they will ask the INEC to do what they want to do. Not the presidential candidate too. Not even Tinubu. These people Showonder is talking are more powerful than president. They dictate who rule Nigeria. They dictate who die. They dictate who do this. Ask Chief of Army Staff. The interview, AIT Television interviewed him in Kaduna after Nagbaja died that he entered office, this new one. Ask him, why did you make the statement that the insecurity situation in Nigeria, that they are underlying issue, that is not what military can fight? Why did he make that statement? The video is there. Because you see, these people knows what gullible Nigerians don't know. Ordinary Nigerians are just there gallivanting, talking anyhow. You don't know anything about what these people know. They understand the arithmetic. They know where this thing is leading to destruction. Everybody that is holding any opportunity, they want to embezzle, they want to take their share. Maybe from now to the next 20 years, this entity will stop to exist. Because they know that with what is going on, this thing can't go on like this. They know that, oh, these terrorists will report into the country. From now to the next 30 years, the terrorists they will destroy the country. They will destroy everything in totality. So now, what am I telling you? Any country that the president is not in charge, there is a big problem. Any country that the president is not in charge, there is a big problem. So Tinubu is not in charge in Nigeria. So if you are calling Tinubu insecurity here, insecurity, some people say everything, stops at the bus stop of president. I look at them and laugh. Novice, ignorant people about Nigeria. At bus stop of who? How? How did he become president? That everything will stop at his bus stop. Oshomole is telling you that president knows the people who are buying guns for terrorists. President knows the people who are buying guns for terrorists. He knows. But did he have mouth to say it? He not get mouth. He not get liver. Tinubu no fit talk am. You understand? Tinubu no fit talk am. If he get mind, make he go bring them out as Oshomole talk. Oh, Tinubu is not aware of what the Saudi Arabia, the names of terror sponsors they release. If Tinubu get mind, make he go arrest them. Tinubu is not in charge. Tinubu is not in charge. So this is what I'm trying to, to make people to understand about Nigeria, so that you strategize and think about your future, the future of your children. Because the way things are going like this, a day will come where they will order these people, go to this village, your village. I'm talking about your village. They will order these people, go to your village, kill everybody there, scatter them, there is good there. Scatter them, there is good there. They will just go, chase the people out. You call security agencies, they will tell you that, no, don't fight them, oh. Sign a peace deal with them. Every now and then, peace deal. What do you think is the reason behind the peace deals? Let me stop here. I'm Coach Happy myself. I'm a confident reporter. Kindly share this video if it makes any sense.